Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial on how to use our Trading Hub. This is about the collection section. So let's get straight into it. So once we open a collection, we can notice a couple of things. First of all, this is the title of the collection, and this is its contract address. Clicking on it, we can copy it and paste it wherever we want if we want to maybe search it on Etherscan or any other place. Second of all, we can select the star to put the collection in our watch list, unselect it to remove it from watch list. Here we have the collection royalties on OpenSea, and this is the collection description. On the right side instead, we have a series of links, including marketplaces, website, socials, and Etherscan. Under that, we can see when the collection was created and what type of token standard it uses. In this case, it's ERC 721. Under that, we have a series of different stats, such as listings, items, floor price, owners, sales, volumes. Clicking on this button, we can expand the stats and get more info such as top bid, market cap, total volume, etc. So going under, we have the token section. The token section is where all the items get aggregated from different marketplaces. We have many as you can see, what just happened was basically a new item getting listed, and it's live. The items are live, so basically whenever a new item gets listed, it gets put straight away without having to refresh the page, without any loading time whatsoever. It's just live. So as soon as the listing gets found, it gets put straight onto the page. So that's the first thing we can mention. Our listings are aggregated from a series of different marketplaces, such as OpenSea, LooksRare, X2Y2, SudoSwap, AlienSwap, and hopefully we'll have Blur soon as well. We do have Blur for the sales, not listings just yet, as our API is not available yet. We do have a series of other marketplaces, small ones that are not in this list on the right, but they're very small ones, and you rarely find listings from those marketplaces. In the token section, we can buy an item through the Buy Now button and proceeding to checkout, or we can add it to cart, add many as well, and then go in the cart section and complete the purchase from here. Empty the cart, just clear all, and close the cart. In the items, we can see a few things. First of all, its price, its ID number. Up top, we can see from which marketplace it's coming from, and this number here is its rarity. With this button here, we can refresh the metadata in case some items have not revealed yet, and up top here, we can filter with these filters here, or search a token by token ID. On the left side, we can filter for a few things, such as traits, price range, buy now, etc. That's it for this tutorial. See you in the next video.